Thinking about getting the Clairu Air Purifier? This product makes some pretty bold claims. It says it not only purifies the air but also cleans surfaces, kills dust mites, bed bugs, germs, mold, and even insects, plus it supposedly removes smoke, bad smells, and more. On paper, it sounds like the ultimate all-in-one device for a cleaner, healthier home. But after spending considerable time testing it out and digging into the details, the results are somewhat underwhelming and a bit complicated. While the Clairu Air Purifier does seem to freshen the air to a degree and can help reduce some odors, many of the more ambitious claims like killing bed bugs or completely eliminating germs and insects lack clear scientific backing or any solid proof. The company's marketing strategy also raised some red flags. It's quite pushy, creating a sense of urgency that makes you question if you're really making a smart purchase or just getting caught up in hype. On top of that, the price feels marked up compared to what the technology inside actually delivers, which is frustrating. Looking online, some user ratings and reviews appear suspiciously inflated, which doesn't help build trust in the product's effectiveness. So the bottom line is this: Clairu is not an outright scam, but it's not the miracle solution it claims to be either. It might serve as a basic air freshener or purifier, but don't expect it to completely solve all your home cleaning or pest problems. If you're after straightforward air purification, you might find better value elsewhere, especially if you're cautious about overspending on unproven features. Ultimately, do your research and weigh the pros and cons before deciding if this device fits your needs.